Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for the 6 month break. It's 2:25:43 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll participants. We're going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the teams, we draw how many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Random is complete. Teams are David Charles Nuggets, Ben Francis Clippers, Stephen Moore Wizards, Shane Borto Celtics, Byron with the Lakers, Vincent Jazz, Climus Rockets, Zach with the Raptors, Joel with the Hornets, Palmasano Sixers, Johnny Wells Pistons, Scotty Rhodes, Knicks, Benny with the Nets, Johnny Timberwolves, Jimmy Magic, Shane Borto Grizz, Connor with the Bulls, Corey Bucks, Johnny Deegan Warriors, Cotton Heat, Sanson On with the Mavericks, Thomas Oliver Pelicans, Stephen Hubbard Cavs, Zach O'Toole Kings, David Charles Spurs, Cannon Hawks, TJ Blazers, Jeff with Thunder, Simi with the Pacers, and Byron with the Suns, and that is the teams.